in part 2, it is either you're solving for sine rule or cosine rule. So we are going to do cosine rule. There is the first rule when you are solving under cosine rule. That it says, when you are given two sides, and where they are meeting there is an angle, we solve for cosine rule. And the formula that we use is this one. This is the formula that we are going to use. Now, how do we come up with that formula? When you are given two sides and where they are meeting, that is the first rule under cosine rule, and we are finding a side, which is this one. Okay, so when you are given two sides and where they are meeting there is an angle, we solve for cosine rule. So we are going to start. The first thing that you start with when you start solving is that you need to indicate the sides, and the sides are symbolized as small letters. Then these capital letters are what we are calling angles. So you are going to, where the M is facing there, or where the M is corresponding, that is what we are calling M small. Then where the N is facing, that is what we are calling N small. Then where the K is facing, that is what we are calling the K small. Okay, so here there is 92. Yes. Now, when you have identified your sides, you need now to form the formula. The formula will go with what you are solving first. What I'm solving is M, meaning Kn, this line, and it is M. So you are going to say M squared, small m squared, then you say equals, you get the side of K, which is K squared, then plus the side of M, which is N squared. Then you say minus 2, then open bracket. These that you have put here are what you are putting here. K times N, then times cos M, because we are finding the side of M, then we have angle of what? M. That is our formula. So here you first start with what you are solving and you end with the angle that you have. So for instance, if you would have been solving K, you would have started with K and ended with the cos K. If we are solving for N, we start with N. If we are solving this N, we start with N, then we ended with the cos N. But now, here we have been told to solve this. When you are given these two sides and where they are meeting is an angle, you use this kind of formula. Okay, so you start. Where there is N, this line, we have been told that is Kn. This is what you have been told to find in the question. So you are going to put, where there is M, you are going to put Kn squared is equals to the side of K, where the K is facing, that is what we are calling a 10, you put a 10 squared, then plus the side of N, that's why we are calling 8. Then you put 8 squared minus 2. These that you have put here are what you are putting here because there is Kn. Put 10 times 8. Then times cos M. What is our cos M? The angle here we have 90. So this is that. Then you start again. You say Kn squared is equals to, when you multiply 10 times 10, it will give us 100. 8 times 8, it will give us 64. Now, when you are solving this kind of question in paper 2, you need to make sure that your calculator is in degrees. Then you move this, starting from the negative 2, you punch the calculator altogether this. You are going to say negative 2 times 10 times 8 times cos 92. You are getting everything that is on the calculator writing. Don't round off. So it will be 5.5, then 8, 3, 9, 1, 9, 4, 7, then 2. Then after you have multiplied this, then you add everything that is here. When you multiply with the negative, it will give us a positive. If it gives you a negative, you put a negative 2. So you add everything. You start, you say you erase, and you say 100 plus 64 plus 5.58391947.2. Then it will give us kn squared equals to 169.58399195. This is the answer that you are writing, the full one. Then, according to the rules of exam, they say you leave it in 3 significant figures. Before you leave it in 3 significant figures, we have been told to say we need to find kn, not kn squared. So you introduce a square root to cancel the 2. You also introduce a square root to this side to cancel the 2. Then, when you say square root 169.5839195. What are we getting? I'm getting 13. So kn, this square root has cancelled the 2, it will be kn is equals to 13.02243908. Then from here, now after you have written this, after you have squared everything, you need to leave your answer correct to 3 significant figures. When you are finding answer not in degrees, they should be in 3 significant figures. So it is 1, 2. At the end of the point, the 0 is significant. So we're going to say kn is equals to 13.0. What are we finding? We're finding kilometer. So you put kilometer.